Garage doors are complex systems. DIY repairs often lead to bigger issues or injury. In Flower Mound, Texas, many homeowners face this repair decision. Springs, cables, rollers, and sensors all work together. If one part fails, the entire door may malfunction. What seems minor could be a symptom of deeper trouble. Basic tasks like lubricating parts or tightening bolts are safe. But repairs involving springs, tracks, motors, or cables should always be left to professionals. Torsion springs are under high tension, doors are heavy, and electrical parts pose real hazards. Mishandling them can result in serious injury or costly damage. Professionals bring tools, experience, and safety protocols. They diagnose issues thoroughly and prevent future problems, saving time and frustration. When your garage door acts up, trust a Flower Mound expert. Avoid unnecessary risks. Get professional help for safe, reliable garage door repair.